everyone, you are live with Jonathan Manus, aka the One-Leg Bandit. Happy Memorial Day weekend for all of our fallen. You know, Manus Veteran Medical has nothing but respect for you. That's what we do every day. We love and lift up our veterans and our veterans' families. So hope everyone is enjoying the weekend, though. I wanted to come to everyone today. It is a great crypto day, okay? Things are starting to flip around. The bottoms are in, and I did a video last week about the bottoms, and I want everyone to take a look at some things I'm about to share with you. Let's get the financial advisor stuff out of the way. I am not a financial advisor. What I'm saying is based on my research and my ideas, and I'm just trying to help folks out, help you find a couple good lottery plays here because you know, there's lots of ways to spend money, and sometimes you want to jump on things when you can make some money. So that's what I'm trying to do, help folks out, help you make a little bit of money. So let's check some things out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. All right, so let's check out some of the markets. So Bitcoin's back up to 36,000 right now, looking pretty good. But I definitely wanted to share Dogecoin with you, and I wanted to share, most importantly, Shiba with you, okay? Shiba and TRX. Both of them are doing really good, but let me show you the Shiba right here. This is a big move we got coming in. Let's see here. So here's today. Look, you're blasting off from 7, getting all the way back up, hitting 9 again. And what's going on here, everyone, that I wanted to share is you may have not seen the news, but they're doing a huge meeting in Miami about the crypto markets. And that's when a lot of these things are going to be released to the public. You know, a lot of these secrets, a lot of things that people are working on. A lot of the reason for the dip, you know, has been Bitcoin in general, but there's so many of these new coins that are coming out, and they're going to drop all this crazy news down in Miami when everybody's down there. You can Google crypto meeting in Miami to find out what I'm talking about, but it's coming up very shortly, and I'm letting you know people are loading the boat here on SHIB. If you do not have any SHIB, I strongly recommend going to crypto.com and creating your account. It'll take about a day to set it up. Now it's so busy, but once you can, go ahead and add you some SHIB. Now the price point we're looking at right now is 5087. I mean, so you know, try to get in below 10 if you can. That's 4 zeros and 1 0. That way you can add you know, about 100. Try to get you at least 100 million shares if you can right now. That's what I would try and shoot for. That way you are fully loaded and ready for this run. So let me show you the 3-month chart on this. So this thing has went from absolutely nothing, shot up here, and then it shot all the way up here to 0.0003571. That made people, a lot of people, multi-millionaires. I mean, even if they only invested $100 into this on this run right here, you know, they made a lot of money. A lot of millionaires made here. I've done previous videos about SHIB. And all the millionaires that was made on this run. Now, of course, after the Saturday Night Live thing, Bitcoin, everything went down with Elon Musk, and now it's settled back in. But it has found its volume, and it's definitely found a good support right here at the 008, and we're breaking up on that. The next big news, this thing has got a good base now. There's no telling where we can shoot back up to, and as you can tell, it moves very fast. Once it starts to move upward, it definitely goes. So you don't want to miss the run, is what I'm trying to let everyone know here. All right, let's check out Doge. All right, where are you, Doge? Here we go. Doge is doing similar things in the chart. Let's do a 3-month so everybody can see what I'm talking about. So this again was the Saturday Night Live. 70 cents was the high. Found a good base here at about 32. You know, something like that, 31, 32, and I think we have got the reverse going here, especially if Bitcoin can move up and hold. But if you haven't added a Doge or SHIB, I would strongly look at adding those now and playing those, okay? So let's get back here. So anybody watching this, if you have any comments, please throw them in the comments. I will go ahead and add you to the stream. We'll continue to keep the conversation alive and moving forward. But definitely just I want to inform anyone that will listen. You know, if you listen to your kids and they pay attention to social media a lot, they see all these young millionaires out there, all these kids driving Lambos, all these kids doing certain things, and you start digging into what happened. They either made millions on Shiba, they made millions on Doge or Bitcoin. And you know, you might think it's a small niche little group of folks, but this is a worldwide thing that is happening right now. A lot of currency, a lot of money is switching into digital currency. There is a huge event coming up in Miami. If you don't know about it, just Google Miami cryptocurrency event. Take a look at it. It is going to just be a huge catalyst for what's about to happen with these coins. Doge, Bitcoin, Ether, all of them. You know, it's just a great time right now. The dip is a great time to jump in and get your position so you don't miss the boat on the next move. Of course, everyone knows you can lose money in crypto. If it doesn't work out, it can go the wrong way. But all I know is I see a great amount of money invested into these cryptos right now, and a great amount of knowledge coming to the marketplace. And every time that Dogecoin or Shiba is listed to a new market, it opens them up to a new set of eyes. And what I mean by market, there's a lot of different ways that you can buy these cryptocurrencies. You can buy them on like Coinbase or crypto.com or BitPay or whatever type of platform you want to use. And not every one of these platforms has even opened it up where you can buy Shiba or Doge on these platforms. And if it's not opened up yet, like when they put SHIB or Doge on Coinbase, it's going to rock it up because you've got millions of more people that can just add it every day. And if they add this to Robinhood, think of all the money. Now, it's not big investments. People are adding $100, $200, but you times that times a million of people adding these types of coins to their portfolio just for long shots. It really adds up, and it creates a base, a good, strong base for these big whales to come in and say, okay, I see the value. And then when a whale comes in and buys, you know, $4 or $5 million worth of these cryptos, it really shoots the price up. And SHIB is burning a lot of their coins. They're cutting their coin value, not cutting their coin value, but cutting their coin debt from like unlimited or 100 trillion, whatever it is. They cut it in half last month. And that's a huge thing. That means it was this many coins, now it's this many coins. So that adds that much more value to the coin, and they're going to continue to burn it down. That's what burn is, when they burn the coins down. So it creates more value for that coin. So it takes away the zeros off that coin, and that's how you get some good explosive growth and adds a lot of value to the coin itself because it's being cut down. But definitely a time to jump in right now. I'm going to go ahead and do another share screen real quick. All right, and let's go to Crypto Meeting Miami. Let's jump on here and see what's going on. Bitcoin 2021 conference, June 4th through 5th. Okay, so this is what's going on. Let's click on it, check it out. Here's some of the speakers that's going to be there. Ron Paul, Senator Cynthia Loomis, Michael Saylor, Jack Dorsey's going to be there, Tony Hawk, and Nick Szabo. So these are just some of the folks that are going to be there. But this is making a lot of waves. A lot of people are loading the boat. I mean, billions has been added to Bitcoin during this dip. Smart people are adding. If you look at the actual individual trades, you'll start to see all the different amounts of ads, and that's what has really sparked my interest and what I want to share with my LinkedIn and all my followers. You've got to start taking a look at this stuff. Diversify your dollar. Every day, millions and millions and millions of dollars is being printed, and that just takes away from your dollar value. This is a way to kind of somewhat try and diversify your dollar and try to get into different markets. You know, the same old thing doesn't work for a lot of people. Some people want to try some different things, but I definitely want y'all to look at these speakers. I mean, Floyd Mayweather's going to be there. I think he's fighting down there. He's fighting Paul. So he'll be in the market, in the area, and he'll be there talking. But just look at some of these folks. I mean, these people are the who's who when it comes to cryptocurrency, and they all know something. They all know the inside of what's going on, and that's why you see so many people loading up. All you see in the news right now is, oh, cryptocurrencies are down. What a bad time, or cryptocurrencies is making people go broke. But I'm letting you know, they're not talking about all the people who made millions and millions of dollars on the run up. I mean, Bitcoin went from $1, not too long ago, 10 years ago, to now at $36,000 for one Bitcoin. I mean, let's not talk about them losing money. I mean, if you got in early, you made your money. So there's no way you need to complain here. But definitely keep an eye on this. Definitely look over the next week of all the people that start talking about Bitcoin and all the new cryptocurrency talk that's coming out. SHIB will be hot. They have a lot of things that are going on. If they release their news properly and get everything in place before the show, it's just going to be outstanding. So definitely load the boat with SHIB if you can, and Doge. Okay, if anybody has any questions, go ahead and throw them in the comments. We'll go back and forth on them. Let me check this out real quick. Move the share screen. Okay, so yeah, the question is, do I have positions in both? Yes, I have positions in both Dogecoin and SHIB. Just I wanted to be a part of both of them. I know that SHIB is supposedly called the Doge killer, but they're both going to have their own roles and moving forward, and they both have a huge following. And I believe in the future, we're only getting started with this. Most people don't even know about it. 1 out of 10 people don't even have a crypto wallet, probably 1 out of 20. So, I mean, there's just so much still to learn. So, yeah, I like both of them. Let's see here. The next question is, how long do I think it's going to take for these markets to start moving? The answer is, I don't think long at all. SHIB is already moving as of right now. I mean, it just jumped up 16% today alone. People are loading. They know what's going on. It's been sitting around 7 to 9 over the last week or two. I just think people are loading as many shares as they can. I mean, for $1,000, you have 100 million shares of SHIB, or more, actually more than that. And then if it hits 1 cent, you're a millionaire. I mean, I just want you to think of that. If you can invest $1,000 now, if it hits 1 cent, you will be a millionaire, and it is just an awesome thing to think about. So think about what you can do for your family, and how many people's lives you can change for that type of money. Let's see here. Do I think Bitcoin is going to rise back to 50,000? Yes, I definitely do. I don't think it's going to take Bitcoin long at all. I think, I mean, you already see it. It's moving up and down, $1,000, $2,000 back and forth a day. I mean, that type of volatility is outstanding if you're a swing trader. But once you see a good $4,000 or $5,000 move up, and the reverse is set, and it stays for 24 hours, then I think we're going to get a good push well above 50,000 again. I think we'll get pushed back up there. It's a limited supply. There's 21 million Bitcoins out there in the world right now, and people are definitely utilizing that to store their values. So I think that you definitely are going to see a good rise in Bitcoin. All right. Well, I tell you, it's been a good stream here. I just wanted to let everyone know that that SHIB and Doge is on the move again. Anytime you want to reach out or talk to me, I'm the one-leg-bandit at Manus Veteran Medical. Just give me an email. I'll try to help you out. Check out, eToro is my platform that I use for most of my trades, and Bitcoin, crypto.com for SHIB. I really like it because they don't charge any fees up front. You got 30 days of trading, so you can add all you want. No fees there of SHIB, and both of them are just really good and easy to use platforms. So that's what I have for today. I just really appreciate y'all. Look forward to your comments. If you throw your comments in there, I will respond back to you. But just trying to do my part, reach out to the family, and let everyone know that these things are looking really good. I love the volume and the dollar amount. So hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will holler at you later. Thank you.